Easy matrala, it's adipoli payasam. You have to try this.
This is Onam special Kerala Adda Payasam. Very simple recipe and quick and easy to make. Let's see what the ingredients are. For this, I've taken Paalada or rice pasta and Sabudhana, which is chovarasi, made of tapioca. So, to begin with, I'm going to cook the Sabudhana in water. Here I'm taking around 150 grams of Sabudhana and I'm using a pressure cooker to cook it. I'm also cooking the rice pasta here or the Adda, and I'm going to pressure cook it both for 1 whistle. Now I'm going to caramelize sugar. For this, I'm adding around 150 grams of sugar. To this, I'm adding some water. Once it's caramelized, I'm going to add milk to it. Don't worry, the milk completely dissolves with the caramelized sugar. Now let's mix it well. To this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Rice flour gives a thick consistency to the milk. Now to this, I'm going to add the tapioca pearls. It's cooked. I'm going to add it with the water, so it's going to give a good texture to the payasam. We're also going to add the Adda to our boiling milk. We're not going to add the water that the Adda is cooked in. To this, add a pinch of salt. Now, in a blender, I'm going to powder some ilachi along with sugar. I'm going to add it to the boiling milk. While the milk is boiling, to a small pan, let's get our garnish ready. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ghee, and to this I'm going to add some cashews and raisins. Cashews and raisins are roasted and ready. Let's add them to the milk. Remember that the payasam tends to thicken when it cools down. A delicious Paalada Payasam is ready. There are several versions of these payasam with coconut milk, with jaggery, and this is one of the simple recipes. Try this, enjoy, and let me know in your comments if you like it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Get taste in flavor.